Good morning. Here comes rounding off numbers. So children, in this class we are going to learn about the numbers which we can round off. So here there is a party, children. Party is birthday. Okay. Now here the member of the family, they expected 150 guests. So exact number of guests they do not know. Okay, so maybe the number of the guests may be more or maybe less. So sometimes we do not need to know exactly how many numbers or how many guests or how many apples or how many things are there. So we never get the idea. So we do the rounding of the numbers. Okay, to make an estimate. Numbers are usually rounded. So let's see the rounding of numbers to nearest 10. Okay, so if the number first we round the numbers at nearest 10. So first we'll see the number at ones place. So if 0 is there at ones place, then we do not do anything. It is written as it is. So, but if the number is at ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4 or less than 5, then it is replaced by 0. If the digit at ones place is 5, 6 or 7, 8 or 9, then this can be replaced by 0 and we add 1 to 10th digit. Okay, so here let's do the example number 1. So rounding off to nearest 10, so 743. So first we see the position of number at ones place. So ones place is 3, okay, and 3 is less than 5. So we replace 3 with 0. So what do we get? We get 740. Okay. So 743 is rounded to nearest 10 is 740. Okay, next is 658. Now again we'll see the position of number at ones place. So which number is placed at ones place? This is 8. So we replace 8 by 0 because it is greater than 5. Okay, so we replace 8 by 0, that is 550. 8 is replaced by 0 and then we add 1 to the tens place. Okay, so what do we get here? 0, 6, 6. So what do we get here? 660. Okay, so this is how we'll do the rounding of numbers. So let's see here exercise 2.7, the rounding of numbers to nearest 10. So 231 is nearly equal to 230 because at ones place 1 is there and in place of 1 we write 0. So 230. Now 342 is nearly equal to 340 because 2 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5. So we'll write here 340. Okay, got it? Now do the rest of the sums. Now next is again one more example is here. So see children, 400 children attended the summer camp this year. So exact number is not known. So however more than 400 or little less than 400 is there. Okay, so we'll do the rounding of numbers to nearest 100. Okay, so again how do we do the rounding of numbers to nearest 100? Now if the number at tens place is 0, then we replace the 0 by the digit. Okay, if this digit is 1, 2, 3 or 4 or less than 5, then replace it and then add digit in t's and zeros place by the digit each, 0 each. Okay, now if this digit is 5, 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, then it is replaced and then add digits in t's and ones places by the digit 0 and add 1 to hundreds digit. Okay, so here we'll do the first example, how to do the rounding of numbers to nearest 100. So here tens digit of 213 is 1. That means the number which is at tens place, it is 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 5. So we replace 1 and 3 both by 0. So we get here 200 because 1 is replaced by 0 and 3 is replaced by 0. So we'll get here 200. Okay, so the nearest two-digit number of 100 is 200. 213 is 200. Okay, then we'll do the next example, and that is here the digit at tens place is 7. That means it is more than 5. So we write here 7 by 0 and we also replace 8 by 0 and then we add 1 to 100 digit. So we get 678 to 700. So let's see how do we do. So first what we do, 678 to 7 is replaced by 0, 8 is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to at 100's place. So this is the 100's place, this is a 10's place. So right here, because if nothing is written here, so we write here 0. Okay, so plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 700. So we'll get 700. Okay. So let's do the exercise 2.8. Now 141 is nearly equal to, because 1 at one's place, at tens place the number is less than 5 and at one's place also the number is less than 5. Okay, so we'll do write 0 at 4 and at 1. So we'll get here 100. Okay, so 362 is nearly equal to, because the digit at tens place is more than 5. So we write here 0 and again we write here in place of 2 is 0. Okay, that means 300 is there and we'll add 1 to 100 space. So 1, 0, 0 and 3 plus 1, 4. So we'll get here 400. Okay, so in this way do the exercise. So here comes the worksheet, children. So you all have done all the exercises. So do all these worksheet in your practice copy. Okay. Now see here. Abacus is also there. So do all these sums in your practice copy. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.